Hi, I'm Kelly. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to install a lever handle doorknob to an interior door. You are going to need your screwdriver. Most likely it's going to be a Phillips screwdriver, but double check your kit and as well as the existing hardware to determine if that's the only screwdriver that you will need. The other thing you'll need is your hardware. So if you haven't purchased it yet, you'll need to go online or go to your local hardware store or home improvement store to pick out your choice of handles. Once you have those things, we're ready to go. So come on inside with me and we'll get started.
First thing that we need to do is remove the doorknob. Most likely you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, and there should be a screw on each side of the knob. Remember the saying righty-tighty, lefty-loosey? To loosen this, you're going to need to go to the left or counterclockwise. Once you have the screws out on both sides of the knob should slide right out. The second step is to remove the latch, which needs to be removed by removing the two screws. And once the screws are out, it should slide out through the front. The third step is to install the new latch. When installing the new latch, it's really important to make sure that you put it in correctly. When you insert the latch through the hole on the side of the door, you want to make sure that the rounded edge is facing the direction in which you will close the door. That will make it a softer close. Otherwise, if you have it in the other way, you have to actually turn the knob to close the door. Just screw it down and you're ready for the next step. Once you've screwed those down, it's time to install the lever through the latch in the center of the door. There's a large hole and you're going to put the handle right through that, and then you've got two screws on either side. Keep in mind that there is a left hand and a right hand doorknob, and I have chosen a universal, which means it will go for a right or left-handed door. So the outside is going to have the small hole so that you can open from the outside with a key. And moving to the inside knob, or lever in this case, you'll do the exact same thing on this side. However, before you do that, you do have to assemble the knob. It comes in two pieces. You've got the knob that has the lock on it, and then you have the handle or the lever itself. Now there is a small hole on the inside of the lever, and you'll need an Allen wrench to tighten that down. Typically it will come with the kit. An Allen wrench is a hexagon type wrench. And now you'll add the lever to the inside, the same way you did the outside lever. Align the post and the screws and then just screw it down. And you're done. Let's test it out. Have the lock on it, unlock it, lock's working, and it's open.
Congratulations, you've now installed your first doorknob on your interior doors, and now you've got the confidence to do it on the rest of your interior doors. If you found my video helpful, please click the like and subscribe button below. And until next time, keep up the great work.